Alright guys, welcome to another video, and this is kind of going to be a little bit of a short one. I'm just showing you the everything that's in my engine rebuild kit because I just got that in the other day, which is super exciting. The only thing I have to order now is my main studs, and the entire motor can go together. I have to move my rack yet still. I have to paint the engine bay, I have to paint a few interior things before the car is completely finished, and it's got to get rear tires, it's got to get in alignment, it's got to get all sorts of things. So there's still a lot of work ahead of me. I'm not going to say that we're on the home stretch because we're definitely not yet, but we will be very soon, and I'm super excited for it. I've been waiting for literally ever, it feels like, to get this done. It's been I think it's been about a month. Yeah, about a month or so since this car's blown up. So it's been a hell of a journey. We've gotten a lot done in this month, but I'm going to cut now to the clip of me opening up all my rebuild kit. I actually almost missed the FedEx guy too. He came up to the door, he gave it one knock, and he just left. He didn't even like give me a minute. He just knocked on the door one time and just left. And I had to sign for that. So if I wouldn't have signed, he would have just sayonara and he'd have been out of there. So that would have sucked. But I'm gonna send you guys to that clip now. Look what came today. That was a really bad cut. God, this box looks like it went all the way to China and back. It was thrown across the room and then put in the truck. Oh shit, did I open it upside down? I don't know. Oh, it's everything. Okay, nice. I believe that's all my gaskets. Looks like it. Rear main seal. Oil pump. Water pump. I got my bearings. I have high temp silicone. I don't know what this is. I don't know. Oh, these are my, yeah, these are all my head bolts that I might not even use. More bearings. So, oh, these are the main bearings. Okay, what's that? I don't know what's in this box. Oh, pretty new piston. Holy shit, these pistons are light as hell. These look a little more race car than my pistons do. Ooh, I can't lose the pins. Can't lose the pin for that. I don't want to touch it up with my hands too much, but really lightweight. And then we got the timing chain kit, and I believe that is it. Really, this company didn't even send me like any cool stickers or anything? Oh, these guys are cockheads. But there's everything to rebuild the engine. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a lot of stuff in a little box, I'll be completely honest with you, but it's weird that $500 fits in that little box. So I could think of a lot of other things that I could have bought with $500, but those were things I needed. This would be a 0-mile motor now. The pistons are beautiful. Got brand new bearings. It'll have brand new main bearings, brand new rod bearings. It'll have every new gasket you could possibly think of. New water pump, new oil pump. It's just everything. It's all gonna be brand new. This motor's gonna run perfect. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. I'm gonna love it. And the VQ that I bought came with some NGK plugs as well. We're robbing those, so it'll have new plugs. All my coils are still good. It'll just be a brand new motor. The engine bay will be painted black. My steering will be back the way it's supposed to be tonight. The 9th Yeah, today's the 9th, Tuesday. My suede and yellow steering wheel sells with the quick release to pay for the new Nardi wheel that I'm putting in my car. And I'm not doing a quick release this time. This one's gonna be hard mounted because I wanna do some hard driving with this car. And I don't wanna have to deal with the fact that maybe the bearings in a quick release could give out or something stupid. I just don't wanna deal with it. So we're gonna hard mount it so that if I do some hard driving, take some aggressive turns or whatnot, that I'm not gonna snap a $20 quick release off. So I will, I think, in this video, if you haven't already seen it, it didn't happen, but the guy that's coming to pick up my steering wheel and quick release has a Renesas 13B 2-rotor RX-8 that's coming to pick it up, which is pretty cool. I don't know if he's taking the car now. He told me he is, but you know how people are. They don't always come in what they say they're going to. But it'll be really cool. I have to go take that off tonight as well, and then I want to try and get you guys some footage of that because I personally have not ever been up close. Take that back. I take that back. I have been, but I haven't really been super personal or heard an RX-8 really run with a 13B. I've heard an LS in one, never a rotary. I've never really heard a rotary up in person. So he says this car shoots flames, and it's a pretty badass looking car. So we'll see if I can get you guys a little bit of footage of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up as always, and please subscribe. I've been trying to pump out some videos. I know I don't always get videos out. I don't always get them out in a timely manner. I live out in the middle of the country, so sometimes a 30-minute video can take 30 hours to upload. It's ridiculous. So bear with me, please. It's been a process, but I've been really trying to get some content out for you guys. And the channel is in fact growing. We have gone up. We are at 78 subscribers, which is awesome. I was just at like 60, like not even 2 weeks ago. So it's been a pretty good up in subscribers. I really liked it. So remember, I say it every single time. Please like and subscribe. It helps me so much. I'm trying to work so hard to get brand deals and stuff so I can build the G35 at a reduced price so that you guys can see me do things to it and so that I can get the car where I want it to be for a lot less money. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.